Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Dylan Realistic Dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Dylan Realistic Dildo itself. As you can see, it's a really large dildo, and this is recommended for advanced users and not for beginners. It has a realistic veiny shaft which is textured for extra stimulation during use and features a round swollen head. It's firm and flexible and is made of a soft material for extra comfort during use. It's suitable for both vaginal and anal use, and is also suitable for a strap-on as well. It features a strong suction cup so you can place this on any flat smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation. When using this dildo, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and of course make sure to clean after every use, and for this we'd recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that's the Real Fantasy Dylan Realistic Dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.